Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you are doing good. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that little bell icon beside that so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Ignore my dull face and my dull voice because I'm a little bit sick, but I have to shoot because Saraswati Puja is on the way, and by the title you have got to know that what will be I will be sharing in this video. So I will be sharing my whole look, makeup look, and my outfit which I'll be wearing, and the jewelry which I'll be pairing with all this look. So yeah, I have thought to keep a very minimalistic yet simple and classy look of my Saraswati Puja 2021. Basically, we Bengali girls, what we do is that we plan in our mind that what we will be wearing in that particular day, because it's a very exciting day on that day. So yeah, I have also decided, and I thought why not share, because if you're searching, then I know that it will be helpful for you all. So yeah, I have just paired a linen sari with a linen blouse. As I said, that I will be keeping it very much simple. I love linen saris. It keeps the whole look so classy and comfortable. So yeah, and I will be showing the makeup look, but I have not shooted this hair makeup look. I mean, sorry, my the way I have styled my hair, because it's a very, you can see it's a very simple bun. ये बहुत ही एक simple bun है, जो कि I know that all girls know to do a simple bun. It's a kind of messy and simple bun, so I haven't shooted it, otherwise the video will be so much longer. So yeah, I will be showing you my makeup look, and at the last I will be showing you the jewelry and the whole outfit. So yeah, continue watching. So I have moisturized my face. Now I will be applying eyeshadow first so that the maze doesn't create. तो उसके लिए मैं एक ट्रांजिशन शेड यूज़ की हूँ, वेरी लाइट कलर, यू कैन से गोल्डन वन. इसको मैं अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. तो मैं इसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. Now I will be applying a black color eyeshadow on my eyelid, you can say. क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा बोल्ड आइज करने वाली हूँ, दैट्स व्हाई आई विल बी डूइंग दिस एंड विल बी really blending well so that no extras and the eyeshadow doesn't look odd. Now I'll be applying Lakme eyeliner, which is our daily eyeliner. मैं बहुत ही एक सिंपल eyeliner क्रिएट करूँगी. I mean no wing and not too much bold. A simple line will be drawn on my eyelid. देख ही सकते हो आप कि ज़्यादा लाइन मैं नहीं की हूँ, जस्ट वेरी रियल एंड मिनिमल लाइन आई हैव ड्रॉन. सेम एक ही जैसा मैं नेक्स्ट जो मैं दूसरा आई है ऑन द अदर आई विल बी डूइंग दैट. व्रिंकल्स बिकम्स रियली सीरियस व्हाइल अप्लाइंग आईलाइनर. सो बहुत ही सीरियस वे में मैं आईलाइनर लगा रही हूँ, आप लोग देख ही सकते हो. मेक श्योर द लाइन इज़ इवन ऑन द बोथ साइड. सो अभी मैं फेसेस बना रही हूँ क्योंकि वो अच्छे से हो गए. तो अभी मैं कोलोसल का काजल यूज़ कर रही हूँ फॉर माई लोअर आईलिड. नाउ आई विल बी ब्लेंडिंग द काजल well and smudge it well so that the eyes look little bold and little dark. You can see थोड़ा सा स्मोकी लग रहा है. सो अभी मैं फाउंडेशन यूज़ करूँगी, मेबलिन का फिट मी फाउंडेशन. ये लीक हो चुका है और मेरा फेस आप लोग देख ही सकते हो. तो मैं डॉट डॉट करके लगाऊंगी, बस थोड़ा सा जितना ज़रूरी है, ज़्यादा नहीं लगाऊंगी क्योंकि ये सुबह में है ये मेकअप. सो using a blender I will be really blending well the foundation on my whole face so that it really blends well and no sort of patches remains because it will look really odd. With the help of a closed mirror, blend well ताकि फाउंडेशन अच्छे से रहे. Don't forget to apply on your forehead that hairline also, otherwise it will look odd. तो आप लोग देख ही सकते हो कि मैं अच्छे से इसको ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ पूरा, ताकि पूरा फेस पे अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाए. And don't forget to apply on the neck also. अच्छे से पूरा फेस टू नेक एंड ईयर्स को कवर कीजिए, ताकि तो वो ऑड लगेगा. So yeah, now that I'm done with it, I will be making a little bit of faces. तो अभी मैं आईब्रोज करूँगी. आईब्रो मेरा थोड़ा सा डार्क है एंड थिक भी है, so that's why I will be using a brown color eyeshadow in a very little amount just to cover my empty spaces. आप अपने हिसाब से ले लेना. अगर आपका लाइट कलर का आईब्रोज है एंड थिन आईब्रोज है, देन यू कैन गो फॉर ब्लैक वन. एंड अभी मैं आईब्रो मस्कारा के साथ, मतलब मास्कारा, आईब्रो मस्कारा को देकर मैं ऊपर खींच लूँगी बाल को. I mean pull out करूँगी. Ignore my Hindi and English. So now that I've done my eyebrow, I will be applying a compact powder. ज़्यादा compact powder apply नहीं करूँगी, नहीं तो वो dry लगेगा. Just on my T-zone where I sweat, loose, just on that portion I will apply. एंड बाकी पोर्शन ज़्यादा बस डैब डैब करूँगी. तो अभी मैं अप्लाई करूँगी लिप शेड विच इज़ फ्रॉम लैक्मे. इट्स अ पिंकिश न्यूड शेड. आई विल बी अप्लाइंग as I have created a little bit of dark eyes, so that's why I will be applying a very light shade on my lips so that it doesn't look so much loud. मैं लिप लाइनर यूज़ नहीं की हूँ. अगर आप लोग चाहो तो लिप लाइनर यूज़ कर सकते हो. ये थोड़ा लाइट कलर है, इसलिए मैं लिप लाइनर को स्किप की हूँ. So I'm done with it now. I will be pouting and making faces. So yeah, अभी तुम आप लोग देख सकते हो कि मेरा हालत क्या हो गया इसको खोलने में. तो फाइनली ये खोल गया. तो अभी मैं लिप ग्लॉस लगाऊंगी ताकि लिप को थोड़ा सा ग्लॉसी लगे, थोड़ा चमके वो धूप में. सो हो गए मेरा लिप ग्लॉस अप्लाई करना. अभी और ज़्यादा मेकअप बाकी नहीं है. अभी और ज़्यादा मेकअप बाकी नहीं है. क्या हिंदी बोल रही है. सो आई विल बी डस्टिंग ऑफ द wrist blusher and be applying on my cheeks really well. Smile while blushing because it becomes very much easy to apply. मैं अपनी नोज़ के ऊपर एंड चिन्स पे भी अप्लाई करूँगी ताकि वो थोड़ा नेचुरल लगे. तो अभी मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मेबलिन का हाइलाइटर, जो मैं अपनी नोज़ के ऊपर एंड चिन के ऊपर लगाऊंगी एंड ऑन माई चीक्स टू, सो दैट इट गिव्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ग्लोई इफेक्ट. ज़्यादा मत लगाना, नहीं तो वो ज़्यादा शिमरी पार्टी मेकअप लगेगा, जो कि अच्छा नहीं लगेगा सुबह में. So now I'm done with my makeup. It's so simple yet no makeup look. अभी मैं बिंदी लगाऊंगी एक छोटा सा and yeah, I am done. कैसा लग रही हूँ मैं, ज़रूर बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में. We'll be making faces now. So this was my entire makeup look. So you have seen that I haven't used so much of products only. You have seen, isn't it? So you can say it's a kind of no makeup look. Yeah, so with this I'm ending my makeup look session. So yes, as I said that I will be keeping it very much simple. So now I will be pairing my jewelries and accessories, which I will be showing you now. So yeah, now let's do some magic. So I will be wearing in my hand, especially in the left hand, these oxidized and silver kind of bangles, only in my left hand, because I will be wearing a little bit big kind of ring in my right hand. So that's why I will be not wearing any sort of bangles. The look will be like this, because I don't want to create a very loud kind of thing. So yeah, so only this earring, bangles, and this ring will be only my jewelry, because I will be not wearing any sort of neck piece here, because as my earring is very much heavy, you can see it's very much heavy, and it's a little bit chunky also. So that's why I don't want to pair up any sort of neck piece, because I want all the attention in my earrings, because it's really so good. If you are wearing a little bit small earring, then you can go for a neck piece. It's totally your wish, but I will be not wearing, because my earring is a little bit heavy. So that's why I don't want to waste the look of the earring. So yeah, and as you can see that I've paired all sort of oxidized and silver jewelry with this one, because it really goes well with this kind of linen saris, oxidized jewelry. So yeah, with this I'm ending my jewelry combinations also. So now I will be showing you my entire look, because I don't think I should do anything much more, because it's quite good looking now. So yes, now I'll be showing you my whole entire look from top to bottom, and yeah, keep watching. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the entire look and the entire video. If you found this video a little bit helpful also, then please don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and also drop beautiful comments in my comment section. I will be giving you little hearts to your comments. So yeah, and also press the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. And if you like me somewhere personally, you can definitely follow in my social media handles, that is on Instagram and Facebook. I will be linking all the social media links in my description box. So yeah guys, I am signing off from today's video. So I know that you enjoy watching my videos. I will be meeting you all very soon in my next video. Bye guys.